Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve or fix the unknown USB device descriptor request failed error message you are receiving on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo nang i-type yung control panel. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then next step, dito lang sa taas, makikita mo dito yung category. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then sinik mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung power options. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa power options, selected plan. So, kailangan lang natin i-select yung balance. And then, dito naman sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong change plan settings. And the next step, dito sa kanyang settings ay kailangan mo lang i-click to change advanced power settings. Ayan. So, pop up itong power options advanced settings. So, ang next step, dito lang sa processor power management. So, i-click mo lang tong plus sign. And then makikita mo na dito yung minimum processor state or yung maximum. And then pwede mo itong i-edit yung kanyang state. So click mo lang yung plus sign. And then ito na siya mag-edit. And then next, click mo lang itong okay. And hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang sa start menu. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then sinik mo lang dito yung device manager. And then dito sa device manager, ang next step ay scroll down lang tayo. And then dito sa universal serial bus controller, so kailangan mo lang i-click tong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then dito ay kailangan lang natin i-update itong kanyang drivers. So silika lang dito and then update. Okay? So kung paano yun i-update, click mo lang siya, right click, and then select mo lang dito yung update driver. And then pop up itong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then sinik lang dito sa dalawa. And then sinik lang natin itong search automatically. So click lang natin yan. And then wait natin. So makikita mo dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay, so ang next step, so close lang natin itong device manager. And then dito lang sa start menu and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix unknown USB device descriptor request failed. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.